Welcome back, collectors, to another episode of Carey Collects. In today's video, we're opening up 3 Upper Deck retail blasters of 2022-2023 Series 1 hockey. As you can see here, I paid $26 for them each. Young Guns, we're going to hopefully pull, I think, 5 or 6 out of this. We're getting 7 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, and we're getting a Young Gun every 4 packs. We're also looking to get 1 Dazzler per box. A green Dazzler, that is. We are still on the hunt for Matt Boldy, Marco Rossi. We did pull a Matty Beniers last break, so that was nice. We pulled a Jack Quinn as well. Alright, here are the packs. I think we just dive right in. I did try getting the retail for through Christmas there. I didn't catch the defense mechanism of Victor Hedman. I didn't catch the Black Friday sale, so I didn't get the mega boxes. I was looking Boxing Day and even Christmas Day to see if there was any sales on retail, and there's nothing. I found these blasters at my local hobby shop, and this is the first thing I could find that is retail on the product. Ooh, Matias Maselli. That's our second one of him for the Coyotes. We'll throw him right in a sleeve right away. All right. Tanner Pearson, Jujhar Khaira, Martin Necas. Nice to pull maybe like a Young Gun canvas out of this. Alexander Wenberg, Joel Eriksson Ek, Mario Ferrero, Chandler Stevenson, Darnell Nurse, Jacob Silverberg, Dante Fabro, Mackenzie Weegar. Jack Roslovic, Joel Armina, David Pasternak, Dylan Strome, Jason Robertson, Cal Peterson, Jordan Kyrou, and Jeff Skinner. Another base pack. We got Matthias Ekholm, Jeff Carter, Johnny Gaudreau, Jack Quinn. Let's go. Second Young Gun. We're not guaranteed 2 Young Guns out of this. It's 7 packs. So if we had 8 packs, you'd be guaranteed 2 Young Guns. But we will definitely take a Jack Quinn and a Matias Maselli. Those are both really good pulls there. There he is, Jack Quinn. Jonathan Taves, Lafreniere, Philip Roenick, Brandon Hagel. Carter Verhaeghe, Rasmus Ristolainen, Alexander Barkov, Kale Clegg, Jake Gensel. Thought that was maybe an Ovi insert. Nico Hischier, Niels Hoglander. I think we've had 3 base packs, so hopefully we get something here. Chris Kreider, Nathan Bastion, Dennis Garyanov, Jacob Markstrom, and our green Dazzlers of Patty Kane. That's a decent pull there. Patrick Kane, Brock Nielsen, Cole Sillinger, Tony DeAngelo. All right, 7 packs. Connor McDavid, Alex DeBrincat, Nico Doss, a portrait of Alexander Barkov. We will take that. Zach Werenski, Andrew Magnapani, Damon Severson, Pierce Suter. Really would like to pull a Matt Boldy. Another Kent Johnson wouldn't be bad. Morgan Riley, Cam Fowler, Jordan Binnington, Neil Pionik, and we have a Young Gun here of Noah Cates. Not a bad one to pull there. Eric Johnson, Alex Killorn, Yanni Hakanpää. Jared McCann, Jacob Trouba, Linus Ullmark, Thatcher Demko, Anthony Mantha, Pavel Buchnevich, Brandon Tanev, and Jonas Brodin. Got Shea Theodore, Anthony Cirelli, Artem Zub. And we have another Dazzlers here. Green and Matt Boldy. Let's go. So it's got to be like a rookie Dazzlers. We'll take him. Definitely probably put him in a sleeve. Dahlin, Leonard, Cam Talbot, Spencer Knight. Give us a young gun of him. We'll really be loving it. Sean Corrali, Daniel Sprong, Matt Greslick, a checklist, a point, and Barkov. And we have a debut dates of Trevor Zegras. Got a little wow in it there for the Ducks. I don't know if he's been hurt or what's been going on with him, but I haven't really been hearing much. Sergachev, Makar, Appleton. He was on the highlight reels for, weeks there on end. But Tyler Myers, Ryan Hartman, Michael Matheson, and our second young gun here of Dylan Samberg for the Jets. All right, we'll take him. Alex Fermenton, Jordan Kyrou, Jeff Skinner, Jonathan Taves. All right, give us a canvas young gun here. Give us something good. Frederick Anderson, Jack Roslovic, Joel Armina, David Pasternak, and it is a canvas, but not a young gun, of Troy Terry for the Anaheim Ducks. All right. Lafreniere, Philip Roenick, and Brandon Hagel. All right, we're on to our third retail blaster of 2022-2023. The retail's kind of been a little weird this year for this product. It's Walmart had it first, and it's been a while since retails actually came out, since the hobby came out, which I don't really understand. But yeah, here's the packs. Give us a young gun canvas, please. Matt Zuccarello, Anton Lundell, Alex Kerfoot, and a superstar honor roll of Olive Bjorkstrand. I have him in a gold one, numbered to 250 from a hobby box. Frank Quaz, Nick Schmaltz, Timo Meyer, and Ryan Johansson. We got Alex Newhook, Morgan Barron, Anton Forsberg, Colton Parayko, and we have a first young guns of this blaster, Vladislav Kolyachonok for the Coyotes. We'll take him. Henry Yokiharu, Sean Dursey, Oliver Killington. Wouldn't mind pulling that goalie, actually. Peter, can't remember his last name, but Alex Tuck, JT Compher, Ryan Reeves, Dylan Larkin, Carter Hart, Troy Terry, Adam Pelech, and Sean Couturier. Victor Hedman, Tristan Jarry, Vitek Vanasek, Andreas Johnson, and a green Dazzlers of Gabriel Landeskog. Nice player to get there. John Carlson, Mitch Marner, Philip Denault. Quinn Hughes, Connor Brown, Ryan Suter, and a center of attention of Dylan Larkin. Those are good looking cards. I don't mind those. Foily and William Carrier, Barrett Hayden, Warren Fogle, Andrei Svechnikov. All right, we got 2 packs left. Thank you guys for tuning in to Carry Collects. Thank you guys for commenting. I've been replying to those. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing. If you guys want to share my videos, go ahead. It all helps out in the end. I thought that was a young gun. Jesper Fast. Another base pack, hey? All right. 2 Jespers. Let me know if you guys would like me to open up anything else in the comments. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these breaks. Come on, give me another young gun canvas of Evan Bouchard, Connor Hellenbuck, Drieger, Shesterkin. So I think we only got one young gun out of that poll. But we'll take a Bouchard canvas. Okay, well, thank you guys for tuning in to Carry Collect 2023 Series 1 Hockey. That's another rip for retail. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're still hunting this guy. We did all right. We pulled Jack Quinn, and we pulled Matthias Maselli. Thank you guys for tuning in to Carry Collects, and it's been a good break. Thank you. Bye.